So, some of us need to do some personal adjustments in our life. I begin to talk. I begin to behave. I begin to function. And to begin to dress. As though we are. I ain't going to make a come and put it on. I ain't going to make a come and put it on and get a long robe and put it on and put a ring on your finger and you. I said, this is my ring. I'm not saying do that, you know, but the way that you behave, the way that you act, people, that's why Jesus said, people must know who you are. People must know who you are, the way that you live, the way that you love, the way that you carry about yourself. People must know who you are. People must know that you are from me by the way that we behave. So watch it. Mephibosheth, the speller of shame. God put him a place of shame to a place of honor. Mephibosheth was living at a place called Lodibar. Say Lodibar. Lodibar. Lodibar means no pasture, nothing growing. A dry, parched, arid place. Nothing. That is where Lodibar was. It means a place of nothingness, a place of futility, a place where nothing was happening. Amen. Nothing was going right, nothing was going good. It was just a place of unproductivity. And God took him from Lodibar, from a place of poverty to a place of prosperity. God took him from poverty, from Lodibar, and came to a place at the king's table where he was sitting at a place of prosperity, because now he had nothing to eat, but now he was eating from the king's table himself.